The Department of Labour has launched a Project Launch Labour Activation Programme in East London in the Eastern Cape. Labour Activation Programme, Massification of Skills Development, Enterprise Development and Employment Creation Opportunities. Watch the highlights that took place in East London International Convention Centre on 19th April 2024.
Ewe mna ndingufundiswa Thafeni. I-company yethu it's N-Night Trading, and then working together with Pilata Supplies and Services. Siyavuya kakhulu ngolusuku namhlanje nathi siyachongwa kwinani labantu abaninzi ebebe-aplayile, but uThixo ngenceba wasenza nathi safumana kule project, and we are promising into yobana i-skills program abantu bazawuxhamla kakhulu i-youth from 18 to 35 years, but siye sathi decision into yobana even the above age banyanzelekile into yobana baxhamle, because abanye they've got skills but they are not accredited, they didn't have the certificates so that baqhubeke nezinto zabo bafumane imisebenzi nakwezinye indawo. So siyabulela kakhulu ku-Department of Labour, and then there's a stipend of 3,000 rand kwabanye, there's a stipend of 2,000 rand kwabanye. Please siyacela ne-youth yethu izisupporte kakhulu, ingasiphoxa because funeka bengaphoxwa ngurhulumente wethu. Siyambula.
Nenzani e-N-Night Trading?
E-N-Night Trading into senzayo, senza u-construction sector, senza u-building, senza u-plumbing, senza u-bricklaying, senza u-pothole patching. There's a lot. All those construction.
Ukuzokuthi kangoku ingaba zingaphi students zenu?
Ukuzothi kangoku i-students zethu zi-840, but right now we are going to start about i-students ezi-430, then ezinye sazithatha later on.
Where are you based and as projects zenzwaphi?
Ezi projects sazenza apha ephondweni lethu e-Eastern Cape, sazenza e-Queenstown i-projects, sazenza uMthatha i-projects, sizawuzenza e-BCM apha i-projects, but zininzi neziphalukazayo. Sizawudibanisa yonke laa nto sizithathe sibatreyine youth yethu kangangoko.
Okokugqibela ingaba zikhona ii-projects noba zintathu enizidla ngazo enikhe nazenza apha ephondweni khazibezi?
Zikhona ii-projects ezizidla ngazo apha ephondweni esizenzileyo. U-plumbing, u-pothole patching simenze kakhulu.
Benimenza phi?
Simenze apha e-BCM, samenza eMthatha. Saza senza nenye project, we are busy with it even now. Ku-cleaning and hygiene sitraina ilentoza oonesi, because oonesi ii-cleaners zakwi-hospitals ezikhoyo zalapha zii-cleaners ezingekho accredited. So now
Commissioner, you are in the province of the Eastern Cape. You came to launch officially the lab, as you also stated in the podium that this was started in 2008. Bear in mind the COVID-19 glitches here and there. Please take us through, just remind us, Commissioner, just summarize it as much as possible. Why are we here?
I think the long and short, we are here to bring progress to the province. We're saying we have opportunities for the province to train people for employment and entrepreneurship, and also to partner the provincial programs in terms of transforming ordinary South Africans into entrepreneurs. And we are saying it's possible to transform some of these entrepreneurs into entrepreneurs, but also link them to markets. Make sure that their entrepreneurs are sustainable and they can also employ more people. But also making sure that those who get into employment, they get into permanent employment that is sustainable. That's the long and short of it.
How many service providers you've got in the Eastern Cape?
In total, we have 33, but today we are launching 12. So as we continue approving, because these are recommended, we are going to go through a process of recommending this, approving these service providers. And in the subsequent events, we are going to have a jobs fair where we'll announce the remaining of the service providers.
How much are you going to spend, Commissioner?
Overall, we are setting aside 1.9 billion rands for Eastern Cape.
For how long period?
For a period of, it will stretch over 3 years.
Yeah. Commissioner, thank you so much for your time.
It has been a pleasure, sir.
Thank you. Short and simple.